Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Yeah, I want to quickly show you how to solo over what's it called, F diminished 7 notes. Yeah, so the notes are F, A flat, B, and D. Some people say E double flat. So you can just do a simple arpeggio, something like this. Let's start from this position. Let's start from the D position, something like this. You can come from the B. You can do ba, 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 ba. So you can play that. So you can do that. Let me go for you. So you can do that backwards. And sometimes you can skip some of them. So you can always do that. Yeah. Every time you play the F diminished scale, or D, B, or A flat, and then every place where you also use them, on every chord where you use them, you can always do that. God bless you.